Today we're going to discuss the importance of following fault code clearing criteria. Fault clearing procedures must be performed after a repair is completed for the vehicle to confirm the issue is resolved. The steps can include driving or idling, running a regen, commanding a reset, or many other actions. If you don't follow these specific steps and just clear the faults, 1, you are not truly verifying the repair was done correctly, and 2, resetting the drive cycles will delay a vehicle's readiness, which is needed to pass inspections like CARB's clean truck check. Remember, the goal of the repair is to remedy the issues that create active faults and make them inactive, not just to clear a fault. By following the code clearing criteria, you can verify your repair, address the issue, and prevent avoidable downtime. Code clearing criteria is unique to each fault, so we'll use fault guidance to find the correct steps. Let's jump into JPro for an example. Once in fault guidance, select the fault from the bottom of the window. In this example, the engine won't start due to low fuel rail pressure. Using the troubleshooting tree in fault guidance, we determine the root cause and use next step repair to follow the correct service procedure. When the repair is complete, return to the Overview tab in fault guidance and scroll to the bottom. Here, you'll find the conditions for clearing the code. In this instance, we will verify the repair by performing a key cycle, starting the engine and allowing it to idle for a minute. Remember to always follow these steps when clearing a fault code to prevent avoidable downtime. We'll see you next time.